Hi, my name is Bob D'Amico from Hioki USA. I'm here today to talk about our new power quality analyzer, our PQ3100. Once all your setup is done, now we have a metering screen. We also call it a monitoring screen, which gives you the opportunity to look at a lot of different types of parameters, including a graphical representation of your voltages and your currents. The next screen is going to give you a digital readout of my voltage, my current, my frequency, my power, my apparent power, reactive power, and power factor. Now keep in mind, these are all, we call them, it's also a metering screen. We have not started any recordings yet. So at this point, we're just looking at the way everything is hooked up, and we're reading our data as it's presented at the moment. Okay, the third screen is going to give you the ability to look at all your energy, your kilowatt hours, your demand, and so on. Which you're not going to see anything on here at the moment, only because we haven't started our recording process. This is the only screen that is not a metering screen. It actually will start collecting data once the unit starts the recording process. I've got a couple more voltage-only related parameters, including my peak voltages, my RMS voltage, my THD or total harmonic distortions, my DC voltages, if there's any DC voltages present on there, and frequency. The fifth screen is the equivalent on the current side, giving you your peak values, your THD, your IDC, if there's any DC available. And my sixth screen, which is my phasor screen or my vector screen, allows you to see both your voltage and current at the same time, giving you also a digital readout. This comes in handy if you're you want to make sure your phases are all properly, they're color-coded, so certain phases are going to go in certain directions, and the unit will tell you if you have something hooked up incorrectly. The final metering or monitoring screen is going to be our harmonics. Our harmonics are shown for all voltage, for current, and also for power. We have two ways we can look at it. This would be a graphical interface. We can also look at our harmonics in a list, and it will give you your harmonics from DC all the way up to my 50th harmonic.